Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you one of the iPhone hidden features, and it's text-to-speech. So first, go into the settings, accessibility, and spoken content. Now the first option, speak selection. A speak button will appear when you select text. So let's into the iMessages and type in I'm coming home. Select all, and now speak.
I'm coming home.
Oh, I don't know if you heard it, so one more time.
I'm coming home.
And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.